Today we're back in Labo. Let's play. Yeah. Quickly we lead. Poo 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 choo 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 boo loo huna huna moo 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 chuma chuma choo 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 kumu kumu koo 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 humu humu hoo dumu dumu noo now. Okay, let me add a ladder. Yeah, add ladder. Let me add a ladder for him. Yeah, or else he will be stuck up there for his entire life. Otherwise. Okay, where is it? Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. What is this? A bomb on neck. Everybody gets a cockpit. Yeah. Okay, this is so slow. Oh my, it's gonna roll back down. Oh, quickly. And when it shows it, I don't think it's gonna roll. No, definitely roll. Let's go. Yes. I don't know what train I'm in. This is the worst, dumbest train I ever built. I'm building in the worst, dumbest train. I win a record for being in it. En Cobol Getter Cuando Rondo. I'm living in there. Cuando rondo, cuando rondo. Okay. Every jump was really pain. What are you turning? It doesn't turn. The wheels just turn. Oh my! What happened? Wait. Okay, he cannot do that. He cannot do that. Oh, just downhill. Wait. Oh. In 3 minutes. Bro, that took 1 minute. No, it didn't take 1 minute. It took 10 seconds. Let's do it quickly. Coo. And then let's go with for today's video.